The channel. Today I will show you how to connect bank account and how to import basically all the bank transactions. So first we will go to upload transactions. Then you will import. I have already created this file, so I'm importing this. You can also practice by importing a bank statement in PDF and supported formats like PDF, JPG, PNG, CSV, QFX, QBO, OFX, and TXT. So here it's importing. I click on review myself. Then I will select all transactions. I will click on move. I will enter the details about the account by clicking on missing account. So I have created the bank account under chart of accounts earlier. So I'm entering those details. I'm entering the account number. Then I'm choosing the date. Then I'm entering the opening balance and the closing balance. Click on move. Select the account. Move 94 transactions. Then click on continue. Click on import. Now here you can see all 94 transactions are coming. So if from here we can categorize and we can match the transaction. Suppose the first transaction is office depot. I can categorize it to supplies, like posted. So that's how we can categorize the transactions by so like this transaction is posted, it will appear here. See, it's coming here under supplies. So that's how we can do it. Thank you so much, guys. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं, फिल्मोरा है ना।